सर्केडियन रिदम क्या है एंड हाउ डज इट अफेक्ट आवर बॉडी?
सो जैसे हमारे ब्रेन की एक क्लॉक है, एक पेरिफेरल क्लॉक हमारी स्किन भी फॉलो करती है.
हाउ एग्जैक्टली कैन वी मेक आवर स्किन केयर स्मार्टर? Joining us today is someone with 12 years of rich experience in skincare and aesthetic medicine. She has not just spent her career in striving for people looking their best, but she has also determined and found out what actually works for their skin by getting right down to the ingredients from personal day-to-day care products. So today we're going to learn about something really fascinating today, and that is your body is connected with your skincare timing, and that is circadian rhythm.
Right.
So Dr. Millie here will help us understand how exactly can we make our skincare smarter by incorporating some of the things that might really help us in our day-to-day lives. So let's start with the basics. तो ये circadian rhythm क्या है and how does it affect our body?
So circadian rhythm is our body's internal clock. Okay, it is a 24-hour clock which is controlled by a very small part in our brain which is called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. Okay, so what this circadian rhythm does is it syncs with the light and dark patterns during the day with our body functions. Right, like when we should sleep, when our body should go into the repair mode, or when our hormones should work, or also how our skin should behave during any time of the day.
So you mean to say that हमारे स्किन की अपनी एक क्लॉक है?
Exactly, yes. So जैसे हमारे ब्रेन की एक क्लॉक है, एक पेरिफेरल क्लॉक हमारी स्किन भी फॉलो करती है, which is guided by the circadian rhythm. Right? तो जैसे आपको so for example, like when your skin should go into the repair mode, या उसको DNA damage या collagen boosting करना है, when should the skin do this, or when should the skin go into the protective mode? So these are the things that are guided by the circadian rhythm.
So do you have any real life examples that actually affect our skin ka time?
Sure, definitely. So during night what happens is there is a loss of water from the skin, which is called the transepidermal water loss. Now because the skin is losing water, if we use products that are focused on hydrating the skin, it will support our skin to keep it well hydrated. Similarly, रात में क्या होता है that the skin is also building and repairing itself, right? So when you use products that are functioning for barrier repair or ingredients that are retinoid based, so these will help the skin in regenerating itself. Okay. So that is how you can work with your skin's clock and add certain products that will help in the function at a specific time of the day. Also during the day हमारे स्किन का काम होता है to protect itself from the pollution and environment everything. तो उसमें हम अगर products में ऐसे ingredients डालें जो antioxidant rich है, तो again वो skin को help करेंगे, right? तो basically करना क्या है that you use ingredients which are supporting the function of the skin at a specific time of the day.
Okay, so you mean to say कि अगर मेरी जो स्किन केयर की टाइमिंग है that can get affected if I'm not having a proper habit, like if the cycle gets disrupted.
Yes, so obviously any disruption in the regular rhythm of the body, right, it can cause adverse effects on the skin. राइट तो अगर आप जैसे नाइट टाइम स्क्रोलिंग कर रहे हैं, कभी भी खाना खा रहे हैं, या गलत प्रोडक्ट गलत टाइम पे यूज़ कर रहे हैं, या फिर आप जो है स्क्रीन टाइम आपका बहुत ज़्यादा है, सो ये सारी चीज़ें साइकिल की रिदम को डिसरप्ट कर देती हैं, राइट. सो दिस विल ऑल्सो इन टर्न हैव एन इम्पैक्ट ऑन द स्किन बिकॉज स्किन साइकिल इज ऑल्सो सिंक्ड विद द सर्केडियन रिदम, राइट. सो यू कैन हैव साइंस लाइक डलनेस हो सकता है, पिगमेंटेशन हो सकता है, स्किन बहुत टायर्ड लग सकती है. यू कैन ऑल्सो डेवलप अर्ली साइंस ऑफ एजिंग बिकॉज ऑफ दैट. ठीक है. ऑल्सो जैसे हम देखते हैं कि आजकल हम स्क्रीन्स बहुत यूज़ करते हैं, राइट. सो द ब्लू लाइट फील्ड जो ब्लू लाइट होती है दैट ऑल्सो हैज़ एन इम्पैक्ट ऑन द स्किन साइकिल. So that is why it's important that you understand what your skin needs and just give it that.
Okay, so you mean to say if I'm preparing myself and I'm having a proper habit and सब कुछ अगर अच्छा चल रहा है तो I might benefit and my skin might also benefit.
Exactly. So if you sleep on time, you eat the right, you eat at right time, you use protective skincare ingredients during the day, you use repairing products during night. So all this will help you in improving your skin and also working with the skin's biological rhythm.
Oh, so that means that my skin needs to be in sync with my body clock. That
Exactly.
also means that my habit should also be in sync with my
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly. That is what it means.